Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have created this look with basic and minimum number of makeup products. I hope this video will be helpful for beginners or the people who don't want to use too many products. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first product which I am using is an aloe vera gel and it's by Greenleaf. Honestly, when I was a beginner, I didn't have any primer, so I used to use aloe vera gel only. It will do the work of a primer as well as a moisturizer. Now I am moving to foundation and I am using again Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I am obsessed with it. I am in the shade of 128. I always suggest to use a brush to apply the foundation because it makes the application easy and smooth, and also your foundation doesn't look cakey. Now it's time to hide all the blemishes and dark patches. So I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, applying under my eyes, center of forehead, bridge of nose, cupid bow and around my mouth. And blending it with the same Real Techniques buffing brush which I used for foundation. Now I'm gonna set the concealer with Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just patting the powder on all the places where I applied concealer. Definitely I have used excess powder and I'm gonna dust it off with a fluffy powder brush. Now I'm moving to eye makeup. So as the base I'm using the same Fit Me concealer and I'm using little bit amount and spreading it all over my eyelid with a Real Technique pointed foundation brush. To prevent the concealer from creasing, I'm applying some powder on my eyelid. Today I am using the Nudes eyeshadow palette by Maybelline and using this light brown shade as my crease color first. Next I'm gonna use this shimmery copper shade and I'm simply spreading the color all over my eyelid with a Real Techniques base shadow brush. Then taking this matte chocolate brown shade and I'm just putting it in the outer V of my eyelid and then slowly taking it to the crease and blending it nicely with my previous crease color. Again applying the same chocolate brown shade in my lower lash line also, and here I am using Real Techniques accent brush. It's time for some eyeliner, and I'm using Eyestudio gel liner by Maybelline. I prefer a gel liner over a liquid liner when I'm going for any party because it's long lasting and I like the matte finish also. Next, I am using Lakme EYECONIC Kajal on my lower waterline so that my lashes look naturally fuller. Now I am going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara on my both upper and lower lashes. For the brow, first I'm gonna brush my brows nicely and then I'm gonna use this dark brown shade from the same Maybelline Nudes palette. I like this shade because it's very much similar to my natural hair color. Applying this pearly white shade to highlight the brow bone. And whatever is left on my brush, I am simply running that over the bridge of the nose. It's time to add some color on the cheeks, and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Coral. So finally we are in the last step, and now I'm gonna use a lip liner by NYX and the shade is Hot Red. First I create an outline and then I apply the lip liner all over my upper lip because my upper lip is very pigmented. Now I am gonna use Lip Gradation by Maybelline and it's in the shade Red 2. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you soon. Bye.